Samsung will unveil its next-generation flagship smartphone, Galaxy S9, at Mobile World Congress next month. The South Korean technology company mailed out its invitation to the launch event earlier this month. The camera, reimagined, the Emhape Tech, complete with a large stylized number 9. Samsung adds, "If a picture is worth 1,000 words, the latest member of the Galaxy family has a lot to say." On February 25, Samsung Electronics will showcase the next generation of Galaxy devices that reimagines the camera and redefines the way you share your moments. Samsung is clearly very proud of the photography prowess of its new handset, which is a good thing, because the design of the Galaxy S9 is purportedly almost identical to its predecessor. VentureBeat has shared, via serial tipster Evan Blass, what it claims are official images of the forthcoming Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus. The front of both smartphones appear nearly identical to the Galaxy S8 range. If these leaked images are accurate, it appears the Samsung Galaxy S9 will keep the same dual-curved, almost bezel-less display and dedicated Bixby button. VentureBeat, which has an impressive track record when it comes to predicting future Samsung hardware, claims the Galaxy S9 will include a 5.8-inch display, while the Galaxy S9 Plus is said to have a slightly larger 6.2-inch display.